Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you don't know, this April 4th is going to be my little girl Kennedy's first Easter, and I'm just so excited to share everything I got for her first Easter basket. The first thing I got for her Easter basket is this adorable little board book I found on Amazon. We've had so much fun reading together recently now that she's able to really get into different stories. And the best thing about this book is it's a cute little pop-up. The next thing I found was this beautiful white dress at Baby Gap. I absolutely love this pattern, and my favorite color for her to wear is white. So I thought it would be a really nice spring dress for her to wear. I found these neutral colored sensory beads at Pottery Barn Kids, and I thought it would be really good for her motor development, and I wish you could feel these because they're so smooth and satisfying. I found this really nice quality handmade rattle on Amazon, and here I'm showing you just how well made it is, and it's just the cutest thing I could have possibly found. The last item I'm going to put in her Easter basket is this absolutely gorgeous crib cross I found on Amazon. And this is the Easter basket I chose for her for this year. I thought it was so cute. It's pink and gold, and that's the color of her room if you don't know. And I found this at Pottery Barn for Kids. And here's some crinkle paper I'm going to use to fill up the bottom of the Easter basket. You can get this anywhere, but I got mine from Amazon. And I'll have everything linked in the description box below. But let's go ahead and jump right into building her Easter basket. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I had so much fun finding all the items for this Easter basket and putting it all together. Definitely make sure you turn on all your notifications because we're planning a really fun Easter vlog as well as other spring-themed videos coming up for this channel. Please remember to like and let me know what your favorite item was. Until next time, bye guys!